Hello everybody, I will try to comment this pattern in English. I'm really sorry for my English. I forgot all the English words. I used to speak English very well, but since I learned German, I have a mix in my head, and sometimes instead of English words, I use German, and so really that is really difficult for me. I can read, I can write, I can hear, but speaking is for me a little bit a problem. So I would like you to represent the work of Chris, and she wants me to control the mistakes if she has. So we will try to see what is here wrong and what is here right. First of all, I would like to ask you, if you send me a photo of your work, please make it like this. So please make the paper with these things. I forgot the words. And please make this 2 lines or only one Kreuz, wie heißt das? Kreuz. Ach du Scheiße. So, yeah. Really sorry. I forgot all the words. Where is Chris? Yeah, Chris. Chris is there. Yeah. So I want to see one line here and one line here. Yeah. Please make it to see if your pattern symmetrically or not. Have a look here. Yeah? I can compare the left part with the right part, or yeah. So is my English. I think you understand what I mean. So if you have here a line and you see this line, yeah, you can compare. And it is easier to see when this line is not here, yeah? It is easier to see when you have this line. So, okay, but I can imagine that here is a line and I can compare. First of all, I need to say about the thread. I don't know what this is. It looks like this is the part of this thread. I don't know, because yeah, it looks like a little bit hair, but I can't understand if this hair belongs to this thread or it was on the table or something, yeah, but it doesn't matter, yeah. So we see that this part, we have started from this ring. We see that the first part, I call this part left part because we start from this, yeah. This pattern is upside down now. I could not. I could rotate it, but I can't now. So, and this left part lays always much better as this right part. And here you can see this very properly. Look at it. Here every ring lays really nice and neatly and symmetrically and correctly. And this part, this right part, is always a little bit not so well, not so good, yeah. And you can compare also the distance between the rings. From this one to this one is not so bad, yeah. It is fast. It is fast the same. But when you compare this part, yeah, here you can see, for example, 2 millimeter. On here you can see probably 3. First of all, and the second thing, you can see here the below part of this ring. You can see here properly. On here is nothing. Yeah, it is normal. I can say when, but this is not a good quality for the lace. yeah, on cars, I mean. So you need to use finger or hook, and you need to put this part that you don't see here, this part, and pull it a little bit through this ring, so that you can see also on this side too. Here you can see, here you can see, yeah, here is symmetrically, but these two, they lay a little bit wrong, I can say. And the very important thing is to make this picos very, very tiny, really. 2 times, maybe 3 times, nicht closer, nicht longer, wie heißt das? Smaller like this, yeah? Then you will become this right part almost symmetrically with the left. And in this part, I don't like this ring and this ring. These 2 rings, they are really, they look really other as these 2 rings, yeah? So you need to take much attention to this part, and from my point, it will be better not to use this element, because it is good enough, but honestly, it is not good enough. Yeah, the quality is not so nice. It could be much better, and I can show you zum Beispiel, for example, this one. Look at it. That was made from a man, Alexei, its name. This part is totally symmetrically with this one. You can compare this small white distance here, and almost the same. That is a very good variant. And here you can see this part is not so nice as this one. So I recommend to make this element once again. But Chris has made one more, but with the other thread. Look at it. It's very, very interesting. I don't know what kind of yarn it is. Very interesting, yeah? So the effect is really nice. It is so bisschen so glamour. You can see, yeah? But sometimes you see these loops. On these loops, we don't need them, yeah? They show us that English, that is not so neatly, but that can be, and that is not a very big problem, because we can sew the element. When we sew the element, we can use the needle and we can hide this part. Huh? So this element is ich könnte sagen, I can say much better than this one. Is but the problem, have a look, this ring, but the problem is the same. Also, the 3rd ring from the end, yeah, the 3rd ring is a little bit other when I compare with the 3rd ring of this part. And here you have the same problem. Perhaps that is your personal problem and your personal ability to make something like here a little bit other, like as with this part, I don't know. So, but this is much better, and I recommend you also here use your hook and make this part down. That lays down, yeah? This part a little bit further to see it. And then this distance and this wide distance, you can see not so much like this here. And you can also help you with the hook. This ring, you can pull it a little bit this direction, yeah? So you see here, this ring lays on top of this ring. On here, they are all almost together. So use your hook and pull this part a little bit on top of this ring, and make the same with this part of the third ring and with the downer part of the fourth ring, but from the other side. Here I can see also a little bit too much of the thread here in this joining, but that is not bad, because on top of it we will have golden thread. So I hope I could a little bit English. Once again, sorry for my English. I do my best. Yeah, to see you today. Today we will have the second part of live, and we will make the second green part of our earrings. See you!